Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to execute SQL queries during startup of SQL Plus in Oracle Database 12c Enterprise Edition. That is, when I start SQL Plus and login as some user, some SQL query will be triggered. Okay, so that only I am going to show you how to do that. Okay, so I am in Oracle home now. So under that SQL Plus directory, under that admin directory will be there. So here you can see that glogin.sql. Okay, so glogin.sql file is there. Okay, so here I am going to paste one simple SQL query which will check the free space available in the table space. Okay, so save the query. So save the glogin.sql file. Okay, save the glogin.sql. Okay. Now let me log in as DB account. Yes, you can see that query is got executed. Okay, so once I have logged in, query is got executed. Okay, let me try one more query. Let me try one more. So here I have one disk monitor.sql file. Okay, so this disk monitor.sql file will display what are the free space available, how much space is getting used by table space, etc. Okay, let me try that query. Okay, so I am giving the query path. Okay, instead of copying the query, I am copying the SQL file path. Okay, in glogin.sql I am added the entry for SQL file path. Okay, now let me log in as sysdba once again. Yes, you can see that query from SQL file also is got executed via glogin.sql. So this is how we need to configure glogin.sql.